Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Eric in Pennsylvania on this Anytone at-6666. Eric, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, ERF 2030 plus upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, static 636. We wired it for this radio for you. Let's get right to it. Now, you said that you was not going to run an amplifier with this. Let me show you what we got with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. We set you up about 5 watts all the way down. I'll roll it all the way up. 20 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 70 bird average. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 125 peak. Alright, Eric, it's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. For your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.